The whole idea of having Linc in place is so that we can kind of coordinate the activities between the different agencies and try and support the engineering sector, both the small SMEs and also the larger engineering companies that are operating within, as I said, the North Cork, East West Limerick area.
The main driver is really those industry itself, and those range from some quite small engineering companies, some quite large and substantial engineering companies employing 200-300 people or whatever, so it's quite mixed. But ourselves in the state agencies, we see our role really as supporting the people who are actually in business, supporting those companies in business, and trying to, as best as we can, help them to meet their needs or facilitate them meeting their needs. You might have heard the term co-opetition. That's a thing that we're trying to encourage as well too, that members, they can engage in a little bit of healthy competition, but they're also maybe cooperating on certain projects as well. Maybe 2 or 3 small companies come together maybe to bid for a project or something like that. Maybe one of the larger companies encourages one of the smaller companies maybe to act as a supplier, or maybe sub-supplier or sub-sub-supplier to them as well too. So that's the key thing. They're working together, they're working with each other, they're exploring new market opportunities, maybe discussing training needs, maybe discussing employment needs and things like that. But at the end of the day, the sum of the parts will be greater because of it.
I suppose they lead the whole project, and that's where the success comes from, is that all we're doing is kind of reacting to their requirements. We're here to try and service their needs.
That's key for us. Innovation, diversity, that's good for the businesses, and it's good for Ireland Inc. as well too.